Hello and welcome to the channel. It's me, Chris. Hope everyone's well. So this video, it is a video of Marc Taylor talking to the local constable outside the Light Cinema in Thetford a little while ago. And so essentially Marc thought it'd be quite a good idea to question the local constable regarding a case involving somebody being taken to court over non-payment of a gas bill. And so the discussion centres on whether or not this is a civil dispute, as in a contractual issue with the gas company, or a criminal matter such as theft. The constable outlines the general process. Police gather the evidence, pass it on to the CPS, who decide then whether or not to bring charges. He suggests that a simple matter of non-payment usually does fall under civil, but if there were allegations such as meter tampering or abstracting gas, then it could be treated as a criminal offence. Now throughout he does make it clear, and he does seem like a rather decent copper to be fair, but he does make it clear that he doesn't know the ins and outs of this particular case, so therefore he can't really give a solid answer regarding it. And then Marc Taylor challenges this by arguing that it appears to be a civil matter, a contractual dispute, but being treated as a criminal matter. He questions who the actual victim is and why the police are getting involved, suggesting that there is no actual victim and raising concerns about the police acting within what he frames as corporate or civil enforcement. The constable maintains a neutral stance, repeating that the specifics of the evidence will determine how the case is classified, and that the court will ultimately decide whether or not the case is civil or criminal. So you'll have to excuse the footage because I was trying to do it on the sly. Don't know why, but there you go. So you can hear it, but the imagery probably not so good. So just have your eyes shut or something, and let me know what you think in the comments. But until next time, catch you later.
He'll have a case number for all that. He's getting contact with the officer in the case for that job. And speak to him because I've got absolutely no way.
You've got a court case, haven't you? Well, the CPS must have brought the case, and he said, no, it's the police.
Well, the police will put the evidence forward for the CPS.
Yeah, and then the CPS will charge.
Absolutely, yep.
And then whoever the victim is has got to be in the court, or it's civil.
However, I don't know, what is it, a criminal case or is it civil or what?
Well, it's a non-payment of the gas bill.
Okay, then it'll probably be the gas company taking the person's court.
So the gas company is the victim.
From what you're telling me, that's what I would presume, yeah,
Exactly.
but I don't know. So
that's what I'm saying. Right. So basically, he goes to court,
yeah.
The gas company goes in and says to the judge, he hasn't paid, and they have an argument about the contract.
Right.
So that is now civil, it's an argument about a contract. Why are the police charging them for non-payment of gas?
I don't know, it wouldn't be...
Well, you do know there's some funny things going on at the minute with all.
Well, I can't say anything about that case. I don't know what's going on with it. So, but we,
but if all of us run it, can you envisage a situation where you go and then charge somebody for non-payment of gas and electricity?
The police will install the charge if there's as in physically tell the person they're charged. That's how it works. But I don't know what the evidence is, and I don't know what
but
the
you can't
circumstances
charge somebody for non-payment. You can.
We charge. When I say charge, that's an admin thing we have to do to tell the court we have charged someone with an offence. So
Yeah, but there's no such offence from a policeman's point of view of non-payment of gas.
I don't know what's happened.
They can't say to you, we want you to go down to 18 Abbey Green and find out if he's paid his gas and electricity.
Has he abstracted the gas from someone else's meter or something like that? Has he bypassed the meter, which then would become theft? So it's, I don't know what the score is. So.
Well, yeah, he's getting charged for theft because he hasn't paid the bill.
Right.
He hasn't done anything criminal like.
Well, that'll be for the court to decide, won't it? We just gather the evidence.
Well, no, because what we're saying, because we're going to represent him, we're going to show who's the victim.
Okay.
Well, at the minute, the victim is the police.
Okay. That again, without all the full details in front of me, I wouldn't be able to make a comment on it because I don't know what the score is. But good luck with that. Let me know how it goes.
Well, it's interesting because I'm saying, well, if the police are bringing a crime, there must be a Bobby's name, so the Bobby has got to be in court as a witness.
There'll be an officer in the case, they call it, and the officer presenting.
So he'll have to be in the court, won't he?
Yeah, and then normally there'll be a lawyer or a solicitor involved from prosecution.
I'm only saying this. What's actually your surname?
Maguire.
Right, so I'm in there now and I say, right, okay, he's being charged by the police for thieving a lecky.
Yeah.
PC Maguire, has he nicked has he nicked the Alechi off you? And you're going to go, no. That was your he nicked it off.
Again, I don't
You're
know.
going to say octopus energy, and we're going to say it's
So you're
octopus energy.
so you're
here.
saying no crime, no victim.
Yeah,
That's
because
You can apply general thought process to that, but the
Is it-
individual mechanics of it are what are going to
no, what they're doing is they're
they're
getting you lads involved with civil, and this is where all the bad trouble is coming in all across the country, because they're getting you involved with civil because you've got a DUNS number, and you are now a policy officer for the corporations.
Well, I just would say whatever police officers attended that, however it's come about, it might be they've asked him to come to the station, it might be they've gone to see him, I don't know how this has come about. Whatever the evidence is will dictate, and whatever the fine detail of that case is.
But what I'm saying is, next Glasswells, I get a suite off Gaswells, and I agree with them. I've now got an argument with Glasswells in Bury, and you come round and all the police are charging me for theft off Glasswells. Well, it's crackers.
It does, it depends how that's come about. But like I say, if it turns out to be civil, the court will soon determine that, and it'll either be binned or they'll carry on with it, won't they? So,
but why are the police getting involved in a civil case?
I don't know, because I can't say anything about the case. I'm not involved in it.
Why don't you say it to you because I like you? You watch it next time you turn up, you have us lunatics, and it's happening all over the country. Constable, is this civil or is this criminal?
Yeah, and normally you can apply that logic quite simply, but I don't know what's going on with his job.
So there you go. I have to say, I wish I had the front that Mark, Zach, Bob, and all the other guys have. No, I'm too timid, believe it or not. So yeah, what do you make of that? I think that's quite a good interaction between public and police, and I have to say it makes a nice change to actually see a constable walking around the streets in Thetford. He also had like the proper round hat that a pregnant lady can piss in if she needs to. Oh, I forgot to ask him about that, whether that's still the case. But anyway, yeah. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye for now.
Truth, freedom and unity return to Norfolk this summer. Join the Thetford Truth and Freedom Festival on July 17th and 18th, 2026 at the Angel Inn, Larling. 2 days where like-minded men and women gather to share ideas, raise the frequency and explore truth. From 10 a.m. to 6 p.m, enjoy guest speakers, topical presentations, then from 7 p.m. to midnight, relax with live bands, singers and a resident DJ. Camping pitches for tents or vehicles, with or without hookups, are available at a reduced rate for festival goers. Book directly with the Angel Inn reception on 01953 717 963 with street food, festival stalls and real ales, all for just £20 a ticket. This is more than a festival. It's a gathering inspired by the spirit of Thomas Paine. July 17th and 18th, the Angel Inn, Larling.